man, for no loss as we say we don't come with another fresh episode this time, man. This one na Nyamata, and I still know your boy Ademish Benga, aka Jiben Opi. We take with Alamalale, the baddest ever lifted of bass cinematographer in the BFCT, Nigeria, and all over Africa and the whole world. And so we do it majestically, and I will tell you now saying about you na BFCT now we sit down for Gwalameji. Oh yeah, as matter they be, this time we don't come with another fresh topic as we tell una say BFCT matter. We dey touch am, and as we dey touch am, some people dey vex. As we dey vex, we no go stop. We go dey chop because this one today e hot. Okay, before that, tell me I'll tell una say I see the beat. Na Radio 212 na in dey make things dey happen. Na GNET TV na in dey power am. They make us make na dey see the view. And as I tell una say na GNET network na in be the oga pata where they pump money. They make sure say una dey see this program live and direct for una view. Na dey use una data when na dey view. So we say appreciate una selves as we dey be. As matter dey be, this one na yam matter.